Honorable members of Parliament, Honorable President of Central Tibetan Administration, Dr. Lobsang Sangye, my colleagues, Representative Mudugla, Kasutashimondula, and friends and supporters. It's a great honor for me to stand here today and say a few words to the people and government of Canada for a friendship that spans decades. On behalf of the Tibetan people in general, and on behalf of the Tibetan Parliament in exile in particular, I would like to offer our deepest gratitude to Canada for standing on the right side of history, standing on the side of justice and freedom. Canada's support goes back many years, beginning with its unflinching support for the UN resolutions on Tibet in 1959, 61, and 65. To list a few more, supporting the migration of Tibetans to Canada in early 70s, to presenting honorary citizenship to His Holiness the Great 14th Dalai Lama of Tibet, I believe in 2006, and the recent migration of 1,000 Tibetans. Canada has always been on our side, and we are forever indebted for your genuine friendship. Since Tibet is still under China's occupation, and the brutal suppression of the Tibetan people continues even to this day under the most dictatorial regime in the world that has resulted in over 150 self-immolations. I would like to take this opportunity to appeal to Prime Minister Trudeau and his cabinet and members of Parliament to raise the issue of Tibet during your meetings with the Chinese leaders and until the issue of Tibet is resolved. I would also like to take this opportunity to thank Canada for your generous hospitality for the Tibetan people currently living in Canada. I would like to appeal to Prime Minister Trudeau and his cabinet to continue to extend any and all support to the Tibetan Canadians related to their immigration statuses, including family reunions. And to end, I would like to acknowledge and offer my sincere thanks to the members and their awesome staffs of the Parliamentary Friends of Tibet and Canada-Tibet Committee for your love and leadership in highlighting the plight of the Tibetan people in the Parliament. I beseech you all to continue your support in this fight to fulfill the aspirations of the Tibetan people. I believe deep down in my heart, together we can and we will be able to return our beloved leader, His Holiness, the Great 14th Dalai Lama, back to Tibet where he rightfully belongs. Thank you, Canada. Merci beaucoup, Canada. May God bless Tibet and Canada.